to have an accurate moisture machine. When I say an accurate moisture machine, the AT50s and the old Marconis, they're accurate moisture machines, but they're not based on the bulk handler's moisture. And the NIR machine, the whole grain analyzer, measures it obviously in the same way as the Grain Corps and the AWBs and all those, the bulk handlers, the local bulk handlers. So that if my machine read 12.5% moisture, then I know that it would read 12.5 at Burren Junction or at Walgett or Cryan or wherever I delivered.
And one thing I will say about it, every time we took a sample in, I'm pretty right in saying it was pretty well spot on with Grain Corp, who I might add were using the same machine but a bigger version. So that was comforting to know that we were sort of sitting on the standards were or the calibrations were pretty right.
The thing is, we can sample it in the paddock and deliver to a site, and we have the same specifications, and that's where the machine was invaluable, because we knew that we could rely on it. Once it got to the silo, our reading was the same as our delivery point. That was the big plus for us, yeah, because we're an 80k run to get it into our delivery point, and you couldn't afford to have go feed one when you thought it was molting. Yeah, so.
It's with Sofia is calibrated with the CBH group, and we've done our little checks as well by taking in samples when I take a load in to CBH, and it fits spot on with the CBH group, which is important.
Headers come with moisture meters these days, which is very good, but yeah, not as good as these machines have proven to be.
We were primarily using it to measure protein. It was good from the moisture point of view. We found it related very, very closely to the receival point's moisture levels. Our portable kit machines are good, but they weren't as accurate as the FOSS.
I went to the local silo and I sat there, and when they'd test someone else's grain, I'd grab that little bit of grain and put it in our machine, and it was within a whisker every time. After that we had confidence in what we were doing.
Because a lot of the moisture meters that you can buy off the shelf just don't calibrate with the ones at the silo, so you start stripping and you think you got the right moisture, and you get up there and you're too high, so you get rejected, where at least the FOSS is the same machine as they're running, so you know it should be right.
At intake at harvest time, obviously everyone's busy. We need to know on the run what's happening, and it needs to be accurate. In the past we've had other machines that haven't been as accurate. Knowing that the Sofia uses the CBH data bank for all their grain analysis, and it just gives us an advantage.